Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to embed draw.io into your PowerPoint. So first we go to app.diagrams.net and it will lead us to draw.io, and here we can create our own diagram. So I already created a very not very artistic diagram, but yes, you can choose whatever diagrams that you want. We have advanced, basic, arrows, flowchart. Let's say we're going with flowchart and I'm creating this one. You can adjust, you can add colors of your preference, and then you could add more shapes that you prefer. And after creating the diagram, of course, we're going to title it first diagram, for example. And then what you would like to do is go to File, then click Export From, Export As, and then better use SVG, or you can also actually do JPEG or PNG if you prefer, but this one gives you more quality output. So click and make sure that this one, encode a copy of my diagram, is ticked when you're exporting. Then click Export and then click Save. So once you're done saving, you go to PowerPoint, and we are going to embed that to our PowerPoint presentation. Let's say I'm going to use this one. Let's say I'm going green today. And then on my second slide, I'm going to insert the diagram from draw.io. I'm going to go to pictures, insert pictures, click this device and go to your downloads, and it should be there, and then boom, you already have your diagram from draw.io, and of course you can adjust that, so make sure that the design you're creating fits well with your PowerPoint presentation. And that's it. That's how you embed your draw.io to your PowerPoint presentation. If you'd like to know more, please let us know and I'll be happy to create more videos for you. Bye for now.